Hi my DG viewers, we're in beautiful Costa Rica and I'm going to show you how to make one of the coolest desserts ever, crispy rolled ice cream. Not only is it delicious, but watching the process is half the fun. Let's get started. First, they put all the ingredients that I like. I chose coffee bean and marshmallow, and then they poured a creamy ice cream base onto a freezing cold metal plate. This plate is chilled to below zero, so the mixture freezes almost instantly. Chop and mix them right into the base until everything blends smoothly. Once it's mixed, we spread the ice cream thin and even across the plate. After a quick freeze, we scrape it up into perfect little rolls. This is where the magic happens, the signature crispy rolled ice cream look. Now let's look at another concoction of the crispy rolled ice cream. Finally, we place the rolls into a cup and top them with anything you like. Whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, sprinkles, or fresh fruit. Each one is totally customizable. And that's how you make crispy rolled ice cream, Costa Rica style. Which flavor would you try first? Mango, strawberry, or chocolate? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more food adventures.